Water Kids. My summer story. Summer is sun. Summer is heat. Summer is ice cream. It can't be beat. Summer is hot. Summer is dry. Summer is popsicles and a mango pie. What do you like about summer? Please subscribe to our channel.